Stages to make lipsticks with Vaseline. Are you currently excited to test your hands at making your personal lipstick? You most likely currently have the components you'll need in your own home. Making lipstick yourself cuts lower on makeup costs and enables you to produce a rainbow of custom colors that you will never see another girl putting on. Learn make lipstick using natural cloths, eyeshadow, or crayons to produce the color you would like. Using natural cloths. Get lipstick base supplies. Select a lipstick color. Melt the bottom ingredients together. Add the color. Pour the combine into containers. Using eyeshadow. Get the eyeshadow ready. Combine the eyeshadow powder with Vaseline. Pour the combine into containers. Using crayons. Get a box of crayons. Melt the crayon inside a double boiler. Stir in certain oil. Add scent. Pour the combine into containers. Using old lipsticks. Combine several old lipsticks on the microwave-safe bowl. Microwave the lipsticks. Pour the combine into containers.